Now these roads in the dry are absolutely superb.
They are, yeah.
They're real spanky roads in the dry. RT or no RT? That's the question.
Well, you're going to be mulling that over now for weeks.
I blame your missus, Nige, because she just kept on it, didn't she? Go buy an RT, go buy an RT, she said.
Yeah.
Well, when she said to me, well, why don't you keep the GS then and get a Norton or something
Fucking
you wanted?
Norton.
I said, I'll have fucking oil all over the floor.
Yeah, that's not an itch you want to scratch. You just want to get the cream for it straight away.
Yeah. I'd have a modern classic.
Yes.
If it would pull my fat ass up the hills. Mind you, that 125 did yesterday.
Yeah.
Exactly. So if you had another 10 horsepower to get one up to the 350, maybe walk to have a day out down Pool Motor and take a couple of 350s out.
I think we should all get a Grom or something like that, or a monkey bike. We could have a right giggle.
Don't even think about it.
You can imagine the clickbait thumbnail titles though for your video. Come watch this monkey get spanked. Spanking the monkey. Spanking the monkey.
Hairy gorilla riding a monkey.
The possibilities are endless.
John, it might clash with your other channel, your monkey spanking channel.
Did you watch Nod Slokin's latest video with the shark in the roof?
Yes.
How weird.
Have you never seen that?
No, I didn't even know that existed.
It was all over the news at one point, wasn't it?
It's like a 25-foot high shark, isn't it? And somebody's got it smacked down through their roof. It's a shame because in a minute the roads are cracking roads if they're dry.
Yeah. Wasn't to be.
Still, can't odds the weather.
Could be worse. You could have gone out, bought an RT, got cold feet.
Oh, hang on, I did.
Can't tell if that's Steve or if it's a sofa with a tea light on it.
I'm way back here, it's not me.
Here he is.
Right then, Nigel, just remember you've got your cruise control in when those left-hand fucking 90-degree bends turn up in a minute. See, that's another thing with that RT, you can't run the Android Auto through it.
No, you can't, no.
Which I was surprised at.
All you want is something that bloody works, isn't it?
There he is. Like a candle in the wind.
Was that Steve going?
It is gorgeous round here, isn't it?
Yep.
Well, we won't be putting the drone up over Dunster Castle.
No. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, that's a bumblebee just gone by.
Well, it's better than the wasp you were eating yesterday.
Oh yeah, I was riding along, Stu. I had my visor up, and next thing, a fucking wasp landed in my mouth. Well, of course I bloody squashed it between my tongue and my bloody roof of my mouth, spat it out, and then it's in the chin guard of my helmet, still going. I must check the Mic Mini 3 actually, see whether it picked up all the buzzing.
Yeah. All the slurping. Yeah.
You did bite it in half and spit the sting out, though, didn't you?
I did. Yeah, well, spat it out. It was only his ass end spat out, wasn't it? Must have swallowed the rest.
What a charming conversation. He had the ass end of a wasp in his mouth, and he spat some out and swallowed the rest. All right, Bonnie Blue.
Didn't take long before she came out again, did it?
You know, it's actually stopped. It stopped
Fuck
raining.
off.
It's
Well,
just
for
the
you
spray.
up front, maybe.
It's just the spray off a white van, man. Yeah, I don't reckon that pub's going to be open, you know, for coffee.
No, quite probably not.
Probably not.
It'll
no.
do for a battery change.
Yeah, it might be. It's job to know, and it's Bank Holiday Friday.
Sorry, Joe.
They are.
I still didn't get what Joe said.
He said they're
He
lovely,
said they're lovely roads.
you prick. And then something about you having piles.
There you go, Steve. Here's the pub with the wicker stag outside.
Yes.
Big wicker stag on the right there. Look at that. Beauty.
It is.
All right for a bit quicker.
Let everybody bunch up.
Right, we're all
Keep
round
your
the
eyes
roundabout.
out for pink stained gunties in the hedge.
Yeah. And GS is on their side.
yeah. If you see a fucking GS with its ass in the air in the field. Anyone else finding Dave really quiet?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
There's a first for everything, I suppose. I do like a road that runs alongside a river.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Not when the river's running along the road, though.
No.
Right, we're going straight on, but it is just
A
watch as they
junction.
come round from the left. And then straight over.
Oh, there'll be a car probably coming this way, but
Are we all together?
no.
You
We're
got us,
just coming up
Steve?
to that junction now.
Alright, straight on.
Yeah, we got you. All clear, Joe.
Cool.
Now, if it stays like this, I can put up with this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is anyone else a tad on the warm side, or is it just me feeling like shite?
What's that about cannonball?
I said, is it anyone else feeling very warm, or is it me feeling like shite? I feel like I've got
I
Nick's
couldn't hear
heated
what he's
jacket
saying.
on.
No. So there's
On
something
that
about
big pot. Big
yeah.
pothole, the left, deep one.
Well, I heard, is anyone watching Cannon and Ball on ITV tonight?
And all I heard was... Big pothole on the left there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pheasant. Oh, one's been hit.
One's been hit. She's sat in the middle of the road waiting to get squeeched.
Fucking hell. Poor little bastard.
Somebody will have him in a minute. Put he out of his misery. It was a female, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was.
I've got a learner driver in front of me and he's going, Dad, bunch of assholes behind me.
He's going, Dad, is there something wrong with the mirror? Because those lights look a bit off to me.
They're a bit skew whiff. Now look at this, look. This would be beauty in the dry.
Yeah.
It's always a cracker, that bit. Tight one, this one.
That's what they said when they saw you walking in a fucking Virtue BMW last night.
Here be that pub. I'm gonna stop here actually because it's harder. It's a hard stand.
Is it? Is it hard already?
I don't reckon the pub's open.
I don't think it is, no.
We all get in.
Yeah, we're all in. Oh, we were going to stop in the pub,
We
but
were.